Take a look at this. These ants are about to face a challenge that seems completely impossible. We've built an incredibly complex maze, with dozens of dead ends and only one correct path. We're about to witness something that will totally change the way you think about intelligence and teamwork. Here's the setup. Before us is a crystal clear acrylic maze, designed to be a nightmare to navigate. The paths glow with a neon blue light, highlighting every twist, turn, and trap. There are 16 critical decision points and countless dead ends. For a single ant, with a brain smaller than a pinhead and no map, finding the food at the end seems like an insurmountable task. How could they possibly succeed? Let's zoom in and find out. The first wave of scouts enters the maze. It looks like pure chaos. They move randomly, exploring left, right, hitting walls, and turning back. But something incredible is happening that we can't see with the naked eye. Each ant is leaving behind an invisible trail of chemicals called pheromones. Think of it like leaving a trail of breadcrumbs. But these breadcrumbs are scented messages for their friends. Watch this slow-motion footage. We've visualized the pheromone trails as these shimmering, glowing lines. As an ant explores, it lays down a faint trail. When it hits a dead end, it turns around, and that trail slowly starts to fade. But what happens when one lucky scout stumbles upon the correct path and reaches the food? It doesn't just eat and relax. It immediately turns back, racing to the nest, reinforcing its successful route with a much stronger dose of pheromones. Now here's where the magic of collective intelligence kicks in. As other ants enter the maze, they encounter these chemical intersections. They are naturally more attracted to the stronger smelling path. The path leading to the food gets reinforced over and over by every ant that successfully makes the trip. Meanwhile, the trails leading to dead ends evaporate, as no one is refreshing them. Look at this time lapse. What started as chaos is now an organized, efficient superhighway. The pheromone trail along the correct route is glowing brighter and brighter, forming a brilliant golden stream. The ants are no longer exploring. They are marching in a single file line, directly to the goal. They've solved the maze. What's so profound is that there was no single leader, no grand plan, and no individual ant understood the entire map. It was the result of thousands of simple, independent actions, creating one incredibly intelligent solution. This is a concept called emergent behavior, and nature has been perfecting it for over 100 million years. It just goes to show that sometimes the most complex problems aren't solved by a single genius, but by the power of working together. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this as fascinating as I did, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the wonders of the natural world. See you in the next one.